Here's the secret no one tells you. Number 10. The secret caves under Mexico. Deep under the ground in Mexico, there's a giant maze of underwater caves called cenotes. It's like a hidden world beneath our feet. These caves stretch for miles and miles, all connected like a big underwater spaghetti mess. Sounds fun to explore, right? Well, it's also super dangerous. These caves are pitch black, super narrow, and filled with twists and turns. One wrong move, and a diver could get totally lost. And just getting there is hard. Many are hidden deep in the jungle. But here's the awesome part. These caves are like nature's time machines. The ancient Maya believed they were doorways to the underworld. They held ceremonies there and even dropped treasures inside. Scientists have found pottery, jewelry, and even human bones that are thousands of years old. Oh, and some of the cave creatures are super weird, like fish with no eyes. Since it's always dark down there, eyes aren't really useful. Nature is wild like that. Number 9. The Star Mountains. Imagine a place so wild and tough that no human has ever gone there. That's the Star Mountains in Papua New Guinea. You'd think humans have been everywhere by now, right? Nope, these mountains are way too tricky. First, they're in the middle of thick jungle. No roads, no cities, just green, wet wilderness. Then picture huge cliffs made of slippery rock, all covered in rainforest. It's like nature built its own "keep out" sign. Oh, and it rains all the time. The place is full of mud, bugs, and leeches that just love new visitors. There's also a giant cliff called the Hindenburg Wall. It's so tall and scary that no one has climbed it. Some local tribes live nearby, but even they don't explore certain areas. When the people who grew up next to it say, "No thanks," you know it's serious. This place is nature's secret hideout, untouched, unexplored, and totally wild. Number 8. The mountain no one's climbed. Way up in Bhutan, there's a giant mountain called Gangkhar Puensum. It's super tall, about 24,800 feet high. That's taller than 80 statues of liberty stacked on top of each other. But here's the cool part. No one has ever reached the top. Not because it's too hard, but because it's not allowed. Since 1994, Bhutan's government has banned climbing this mountain. Why? They believe it's a sacred place where mountain spirits live. And disturbing them? Big no-no. Even before the ban, people tried and failed. The maps were so bad some teams couldn't even find the mountain. It's like trying to find a secret clubhouse without directions. Nobody really knows what's up there. Maybe rare animals, ancient treasures, or just a really awesome view. But unless Bhutan changes the rules, Gangkhar Puensum will stay Earth's tallest mystery mountain. Totally untouched, totally unknown, and totally off limits. Number 7. Mexico's giant crystal cave. Imagine walking into a cave where the crystals are as big as school buses. Sounds magical, right? Well, surprise! This cave in Mexico is more like a deadly oven than a fairy tale. It's called the Crystal Cave, and it's one of the hottest places on Earth that humans have ever explored. The temperature inside can reach about 136 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 58 degrees Celsius. Oh, and the humidity? Almost 100%, like walking into a sweaty locker room forever. Plus, the air is filled with toxic gases that are super dangerous to breathe. Scientists can only stay inside for about 10 minutes at a time, and they have to wear space-like cooling suits just to survive. No suit? You'd basically start cooking from the inside, like a human microwave meal. But here's the coolest part. The crystals inside took hundreds of thousands of years to grow. Some even have tiny ancient microbes trapped inside, still alive after thousands of years. It's like nature's time capsule, but one you can only visit if you don't mind nearly melting. Number 6. The New Hebrides Trench. Imagine a hole in the ocean so deep that if you dropped Mount Everest into it, the mountain would still be underwater. That's the New Hebrides Trench. It's in the South Pacific Ocean, near some islands called Vanuatu and New Caledonia. It's one of the deepest, most mysterious spots on Earth. Why haven't people explored it? Well, it's about 7,200 meters deep. That's so deep the water pressure could squish you like a soda can. Ouch! We've sent robots with cameras, and guess what? They found some super weird sea creatures down there, like aliens with fins. Some look like glowing jelly balloons or fish with giant eyes. Scientists think places like this could help us understand what life might be like on other planets. Who knew the ocean could be a sneak peek at outer space? Number 5. The Stone Forest of Madagascar. Welcome to the sharpest forest on Earth. Literally, deep in Madagascar, there's a wild place called Tsingy de Bemaraha. but don't expect trees and leaves. This forest is made of giant, razor-sharp limestone spikes. The word Tsingy means where you can't walk barefoot. Honestly, you shouldn't even walk here with boots. It can cut through them. These pointy rocks were made over millions of years by rain slowly melting the limestone, carving out spiky towers. Some of these stone spikes are as tall as a 5-story building. They're packed so tightly, it's like trying to walk through a wall of knives. No thanks. Explorers can only get near the edges using ropes and special gear. The middle part? Still untouched by humans. But guess what? There's still life in there. Weird animals and plants have figured out how to survive in this rocky jungle. Some creatures can only be found in this one spot on Earth. Scientists think there are more strange species hiding inside. But honestly, who wants to go hunting for bugs in a place that could slice your shoes in half?